This was so close. Thank you. I agree. I think it is pretty cool. So what I'm doing right now is making the ring a little bit smaller. There we go. Doing good. Oh, I'm in Texas. Texas boy, born and raised. Very nice. Oh, that is pretty much spot on. Let's stretch it just a hair. Maybe 2 hairs. How does that make it smaller? So this is like a hardened steel reduction die, and it's got kind of a cone shape at 17 degrees. So when you put a ring in here and apply pressure to the top, it kind of pushes it together, and that makes it smaller. The die I was using has a much more drastic angle compared to like a 17-degree die. So that helps me keep a really nice straight wall on my rings, so they come out looking really nice and straight instead of kind of developing a curve, which isn't bad, but like with details like this, I think they're just easier to read if the band is nice and straight walled. Originally this came out of this silver proof set. So in 2019 they started making the silver proof sets 90% silver. So this is a fine silver quarter. This is the Maya Angelou one from 2022. But I work on a bunch of different coins. I work on quarters, half dollars, dollars, lots of different stuff. If you guys want to check that out, you can tap the little gold chain at the bottom of the screen. You can also use the coupon code WELCOME to save 10% off your order there. If you have any questions or you're looking for something specific, let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. We're just going to polish this up real nicely. You can pretty much get a mirror surface on these fine silver coins. So this thing is going to be nice and shiny. Because it's pretty much pure silver. See if we can do the finger test real quick. How many fingers am I holding up? 2? Oh yeah. Nice 2022 with the S Mint mark there. In God we trust. Liberty across the top. I can get it to focus. We got United States of America on the inside right there. And $quarter as well. Alright, that's a little hard to read, but it does say $quarter and United States of America on the inside there. It can be a little tricky once we get it nice and shiny to read, but yeah, it came out really nice, didn't it, Dane? I think so. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this live, make sure to hit the follow button so you can catch me next time I'm on here making coins into rings. I hope the rest of your day is fan-freaking-tastic, and I'll show you what that looks like on a finger. Very pretty. Alright guys, we'll catch you next time. Have a great day. Peace.